We're doing a demonstration on connectors on LMR400. Right, so we have some LMR400 here. This is actually Andrew's brand LMR, which is called CNT400. As you can see, it's the same sort of cable, solid center conductor, double screen, really stiff, not really designed for moving applications. It's really an install type cable. And we have ourselves here a classic PL259 designed for RG213 cable. So let's do slightly collar. The RG58 around. And now we'll put our collar over our coax. So don't forget that. And we'll strip some of this back. So best way to do it is to line up the connector. I normally just go with the full length of the connector and then cut it where the thread is, where the collar would connect on right there. So I'll cut about here. Okay, so there's our braid. Right, we'll trim a little bit of that off. We just want it to fold down over the back here. Okay, we have our center conductor in the 213 connector. Need to hold the heat in there a long time because the center conductor is a copper coated aluminium and it conducts heat very, very well, so it'll pull all the heat away from your iron. So you just need to hold it on there. Have it. That is definitely soldered on there. tend to file just a little bit around there just to get any excess solder off, so that it fits in the connector nicely into the SO239. It's nice and tight. You have it. LMR400 into PL259.